back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is something I'm super excited to talk about because I've literally heard about this product everywhere. You see it on social media, I've seen celebs use it, and today I'm going to be collaborating with HiSmile on my channel to talk about this teeth whitening kit that was sent to me by HiSmile. And I'm gonna kind of go through on, you know, how it works, how to use it, how to put it in, give you kind of a review and my thoughts on everything. I'm gonna be doing this today, and then I'm gonna film a little bit on the last day to kind of give you guys the final results. Without further ado, let's get started. I really like the packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like. You have their HiSmile logo on the front, teeth whitening kit. Has a couple instructions on the back. Open it up. Oh, there you go. Oh, I'm dropping everything. So you open it up and you get this teeth whitening chart, you get this how it works kind of pamphlet here, you get the 3 gels that you're going to be using, the LED light, and this is the mouth tray. Teeth whitening chart kind of gives you a day 1 slot here and a day 6 slot. So today I'm going to be doing day 1 and showing you guys on camera what to do. The pamphlet that comes in it kind of tells you all the steps and how to start everything. It gives you some tips on the best results like that are recommended by their company. It gives you like 1 through 8 steps of how to set everything up, but I'm going to go ahead and show you on camera. I'm just one of those people that like to visually see what's going on, and that's how I learn better. So, you know, a better way of kind of seeing everything. I'm going to go ahead and check what shade I'm at. Camera, I feel like my teeth look pretty white. I have like this huge LED light, but I feel like in person I can definitely tell that there's a little yellowness to it. So I'm excited to see how much they brighten up. You can always improve a little something, see what shade they're at. So I'm around shade 3, which is still pretty high, but I want to get to that ultimate shade, which is 1 on the teeth charts. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take out your LED light. There's going to be a little open and lock switch right here. You're going to open it up, and there's going to be a little plastic film that you're going to pull out, and then you're going to stick that battery back in. It's going to beep. It's gonna beep like that, and then you're gonna put it back in. Take out your mouth tray, the LED light here, and I'm gonna stick it in here. You have 3 syringes full of the gel that they provide. So there's like this white little top right here to the syringe. You're gonna easily just pull that off. Go ahead and apply that on there. You're gonna apply about 1/4 of the gel on top and 1/4 on the bottom. So you're gonna use about half of the syringe. A little measuring chart on the syringe so you can tell exactly how much you've used. Write down on it and then wait for about 10 minutes. Go ahead and put it in. Okay, so it was that fast, it was that easy. It's so awesome because this has an automatic timer, so you don't even have to keep track on your phone. The thing is that this gel doesn't have like a very strong taste at all. It just like has a slightly minty kind of taste. They look good, they look really good. So basically it's super simple. I mean, like, boom, like all-in-one mouthpiece, so you don't have to keep holding it. You're just chilling. You can literally do whatever you want for 10 minutes. I'm excited to see my results in the next few days. Day 6, I'm gonna show you guys my full results on camera. See you guys soon. Hey guys, and it's day 6, and unfortunately I just used my last gel for my teeth whitening. Also, just want to give you guys a disclaimer that HiSmile did send this to me. I am not getting paid by any means, so I know some people might be thinking, well, oh,
she's getting paid for this, so that's why she's saying it's working and it's so great.
No, I am not getting paid whatsoever. These are all my honest reviews, my thoughts. After using this for 6 days straight, you can definitely see a difference. My teeth look so bright. Part of this, I was the shade 3. Girl, shade 1, because like, you guys tell me, what do you think? Compared to going to like getting an actual treatment done, I mean, like, this is such a great alternative.
I mean, what are you waiting for, honestly?
That's it for this video, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and you're already here, you might as well already subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much again, HiSmile, and I hope you guys will check out their products. Links are down below in the description box. Check that out. See you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.